Hello everyone, welcome to Even Better Meals. Today we're going to be making beef steak and potato. We're going to start off by cooking our beef. Add a bit of oil to the pan, toss your beef in and start grounding. You can use a soft spoon to do this so you won't scratch your pan. Here we've prepared our ingredients we'll be adding into our beef. We have onion, cilantro, tomato, bell pepper, and potato. Here we've prepared our seasoning. We have 2 teaspoons of chicken flavor, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1.5 teaspoon of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of tomato flavor. Covering your beef will speed up the process, and breaking apart the meat as you're going will ensure a nice even cook. Once the meat has cooked for a while and you no longer see any pink, we can go ahead and add our onion and bell pepper. Feel free to cut them in any way you like. Mix that all together. We added some red just for color. Let it sit and we can move on. Here we have our ingredients we'll be blending and adding to our pan. We've prepared a bunch of cilantro, 4 tomatoes, 1 onion, and some bell pepper I've pre-cut to make it easier to blend. Add that to your blender along with some water. After that's blended, you're ready to head back to your pan. Add your seasonings, mix it together, then add the mixture. Mix well and let it sit while we move on to our potatoes. Feel free to cut them any way you like. Once you have, we can go ahead and add them to our pan. Mix well, cover your pan and let it sit for about 15 minutes or until the potatoes are soft. Once the potatoes are done, you can go ahead and add the last bunch of cilantro for the extra bit of flavor. My family had this with some tortillas and beans, but you can get creative and have it with whatever you like. There we have it, delicious beef steak and potato. Thank you so much for following along on our little food journey. Support us by liking our video and comment if you followed this recipe. We'd love to hear any ideas you have for future meals, and feel free to share this video with your friends and family. This is Even Better Meals, and we hope you have a great day.